Okay, here we have one absolutely knackered, shattered. This was bent. I've straightened that out a little bit. Solar panel, 170 watts, going in the skip. Or is it? This is the question. Absolutely shattered to pieces. And we're going to do a bit of experiment with it. The first thing we're going to try now, and the sun's just come out for a minute, to see if we get any power from it. So that's number one experiment. So we've got the positive and negative, so we're going to connect them to a charge control unit. Okay, not the sunniest of days, a bit cloudy, not bad. I haven't got a voltmeter. Well, mine's bust. I don't know how someone's borrowed it and broke it, but that's usual. So I've just connected. I know people are going to say you're supposed to connect your battery first and everything. I know, but what's the point if it doesn't work? So I'm just getting the shade here. So I've just plugged this spare one, the charge control unit in, and I'm reading from the solar panel. I focused on that, 22.4. On the back of the panel, the VOC. Want to have a look at this? This is a busted panel. I'll tell you the reason behind it. You're looking at 24.6, isn't it? The VOC voltage. There we go. So the idea is I'm going to repair this panel because there's nothing wrong with it. So I'm going to coat it in a resin, and I'll show you that in a bit. So I'm going to stand in the way now, and as you can see, the solar panel is now delivering 15.5 volts to my battery. Connected up a little bit crudely, I will admit, but it's working. Look at that. So I'm going to rescue this solar panel, and that's what I'm going to do right now. So I've just put a couple of buttons, on the top and the bottom to try and straighten it the best I can, because it's quite a curve on this. It's got, well, I've got it somewhere near, look. 23.3, not a bad day. So like I said, I put the two wooden buttons on each end, so now I'm going to put resin on it. Okay, to try and get this panel as flat as possible, because it's quite sustained a lot of damage. I mean, both sides, both ends were damaged. I don't know what the hell, it's playing football with it, I reckon. So what I've done now to try and get, there's quite a bow going over. So what I've done, I've got a suction cup underneath, tied it to a small dumbbell, put enough pressure on to bring it hopefully flat. Looks pretty good to me. Difficult to find out. I mean, I can put a straight edge on it, but it looks okay. So now I'm going to put the epoxy resin and see what happens. So first problem, you pull the tab and the bloody thing stays in. So anyway, who cares? Right. Yeah, don't use your hands. It's not good. I think I've got a shard of glass in one of my fingers now, so I'm just going to use this. I haven't got the roller, that's the only trouble. But it's looking pretty good. When you think you've done it, don't touch it, because guarantee you cock it up. That's it, I'm not going to touch it, there was a bit too much there. Look, see it? Let's have a look. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Right, I'm going to whack that heater up and get some warmth going in here. Alright, here we go. Okay, that's got up to 35 degrees, whatever that is. I'll close the door and come back in a couple of hours. Okay, sorry about the noise in the background, but that's the diesel heater drying out, and this has dried beautifully. And I'm not joking, look at that. It's like silk. It is absolutely smooth. I thought it was going to leave a right mess and ripples everywhere, but look at it. That is brilliant! So is my light on? Let me just turn the light on, it makes a difference. There. Look at that. All around the edges. That's great. Right. Let that settle. Let that totally cure overnight. Then we'll give it a test in the morning. Alright. I release the dumbbell, which is, I'm just going to lift it off now, pressure. There we go. There's no more weight now on the dumbbell. So it's off. And it's kept its shape. Look at that. It's still flat. Brilliant. Okay, not the best of sunshine today, but finished, dry as a bone, and we're clocking in. As the sun comes out, it reaches more. Look at that, 23. Oh, can you see that? Oh, I stood in the way. Here we go. And it's dull. Look at this. There you go, climbing as the sun comes out. Perfect. One working solar panel, which was dead. Come on, we will get to 24. Come on, son. No, anyway, there we go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and a like, that would be great. If you don't want to, it's fine. Subscribe if you want to, but if you don't want to, it's fine. Take care, and we'll definitely catch you in the next one. All the best.